Alright, so I'm again here. Uh, Today I'm a little bit of confused, maybe because of more in, in desire to become more perfect. Uh, in search of more vocabulary, I even lost the basics ones today while communicating in English. Though I am at 9 today as well in my worst day, so it is clear that my fluency definitely got increased. Along with that, I have to discuss something like 2 or 3 days earlier, 2 or 3 days ago, I went for a demo class. I was scared at first, but once I took that first step and everything started flowing like water. The main thing I want to tell you that the main no not this the main thing which fascinates me, that which makes me enthusiastic, that I was confident that time. Although I was wrong at some moment, like while teaching industrial revolution, I don't even know what was industrial revolution. I mean, I know the basics of industrial revolution. I was so much confident that I started teaching them just after reading a page. Like, isn't it so much exciting? Now, English is not my problem. My main problem is some kind of perfectionist, that kind of chasing that perfectionism along with that verb for me, like first verb 1, verb 2, verb 3, or verb plus ing form, their forms. Also, I am becoming little contradicting nowadays, like my actions are my ideas are not aligning with each other. Today was excellent, today was not that bad. However, I did everything, but it was not in that much efficiency. You are getting now what I am trying to say. Also, from many days I'd been thinking that I am going to post these things like that long videos on YouTube to free up some space from my phone, but I'm not doing it. I just deduce my instant new to shorts, especially scrolling. I just reduce my scrolling time. Though I did some waste of time, like I open YouTube oftentimes, I even open Instagram a little extra, which I don't have to, but that's life. Sometimes some things are not in your control, even though you try so much, and that is not a problem of your willpower, that is a problem of what they say biology. Like your mind always strive toward comforts, and no matter what you do, the biggest problem nowadays I'm facing is my reach is constantly decreasing, and I'm not getting enough ideas to increase it. So my mind is getting a little panic. That's it, and that causes me to use phone or to read erotic stories or some to go out with friends. I'm not hanging out with them, but I call them, and there we just virtually hang out kind of thing, and not with everyone, with a few bunch of peoples. If I specialized, that is not even a bunch of people, that is only one day, because it's not free nowadays, and I'm not getting chance to meet others as well. But as compared to yesterday, I'm much happier today. Like yesterday was the one of the worst day since I started this disciplined life. I missed almost everything. I didn't had done anything. I didn't I didn't do anything yesterday. I didn't get my things done yesterday. I didn't get my things done yesterday. Uh, See, now I'm not out of English, I'm just out of thinking. Even now, this problem, I was facing this problem while I was talking with GPT as well. Like, what to talk, what to say now. As you become blank sometime, it numbs yourself when you feel with lot of things, or you don't. I could have do some of the things, but I wouldn't doing it right now. And alright, that's it. Don't think about that thing so much, because once you started thinking about this, you fall in the paradox of it. Like, you think, you don't take action, you think more, you again don't take action, you think more, kind of thing. So if you are really concerned, like I'm talking to myself, if you are really concerned about yourself, just take action. Otherwise, don't think about that thing, just forget it. Accept the mediocre life. Don't try to be an extraordinary, don't try to be perfect, don't try to achieve whatever you wanted. Accept the mediocrity and go on. Otherwise, take action right away, right now. Or promise me you will get this taken care of right now, right away. See, so I was talking about, let's shift the gear and hop into the happy mood. So, but before hopping there, I have one more question. I'm not getting a call from that school after my teaching. I don't know whether they liked me or not, but the happiest part was that I gave my, not the best, but at that time it was best, because it was my first time. I was nervous from inside, I was scared so much. And there I was teaching class 9th and 10th student at my old school. I first checked their prior knowledge, and then I started teaching them about democracy, industrial revolution, and so on. They are not getting, especially the 9th class one, they are not getting me because I was not teaching them perfectly. There was a reason for it. Like, even I didn't had that idea, and they said that they want to learn English. If they had told me that they want to learn politics, then that is my strong zone. I'm not perfect at politics, but among all the subjects, I know adequately about the politics, other than anything else. And even I engaged them, I connected with them. They also feel kind of connected. I don't know if they are pretending it or they are actually feeling beneath them. But no matter what, that things just omit me from that situation from where which was called the comfort zone. Not even comfort zone, I mean, in my own ego that I can do it, I could do it, but I would not gonna do that. But that thing brought me from there and put me in a situation where I should have to expose myself and face a reality. There I get a sense of coffee. There I got smell of coffee. There I smelled the coffee. All right, that's it. Let's wrap it up.